Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. So today I'm going to show you how you can get started with automation in 2026. That means if you're a beginner and you really want to master the n8n automation tool, what is the method you should follow? So first, for those who don't know, n8n is a very powerful tool for creating workflows, which simply allows us to automate repetitive tasks in a company, saving both time and money. And if we compare n8n with Make and Zapier, since Zapier and Make were the market leaders for a very long time, today n8n is the most downloaded by companies. So n8n is the red curve. You can see here the difference with Zapier and Make. Today, it's the most sought after tool. So as a result, generally, for students or people who are retraining professionally, mastering this tool will give you a much better chance of landing job offers. And especially for freelancers, a huge number of companies are actually asking for automation with n8n. I get a lot of requests every day from companies telling me they're interested in automating this or that task. So if you master this field, you can be sure that you will have a lot of opportunities, whether as a freelancer or even within a company. You can even start your own business to offer this service. So this video is a very short one where I'm going to show you the methods, or rather the method. I'm really going to give you just one, the one I recommend to all my students. So first, I can simply go to the n8n website. And you'll see that here, if I click on products, there's an option called template. n8n offers a catalog. So here, if you look, there are 7,164 workflows, and almost all of them were created just in 2025. I think in 2026, it's going to surpass 20,000, so we'll see, because new workflows are added every day. So what's the idea? You're simply going to browse through this page. And you'll see that here, you'll always find new workflows. For example, the 6 shown here are the 6 most, let's say, requested or recommended workflows by n8n. These are useful to get started. In fact, I have one of my own here that you can try out, and there are others from other experts that are also offered here, and all of this is free. So what's the idea? You can take the ones that are trending, for example. I have another one as well, and you can download the workflow. So when you download a workflow, it's really interesting to try testing the workflow and see if you can improve it or even just run it. Because by testing workflows, it simply allows you to become someone who knows how to run workflows. And the best method I also recommend is to try recreating a workflow from A to Z. That's also really, really interesting. So I'll take a workflow here. It's simple. All right, okay, we can actually test this one, for example. There you go. This is my workflow. You'll see whenever I provide a workflow, you'll always find here in the workflow a step-by-step video. This shows how I built the workflow. So then for you, if you're going to redo it, you'll learn. So redoing it, be careful. When you're a beginner recreating a workflow, of course it's difficult, but when you find a video that shows you how the workflow is created, that's really interesting. So when you open the workflow in one window and in another you have a blank page, you can see how the node is created. Every time you create a node, you can look at the official workflow node and click to see what's inside. And that will actually help us try to copy and test at the same time. It's like when we used to take classes before. When I was a student, actually, if I wanted to learn to master an exercise, for example, I would take the exercise along with its solution and try to do it again myself. So by redoing the exercises, it actually helps me understand the lesson better. And that's why this is the best exercise I can recommend to you. And also in the workflows that I offer, for example, you can actually find, like here, a complete documentation. That means this is a documentation that allows you to see all the scripts I used in their entirety, and you can easily use them. So what I recommend in this video, by the way, I've made available for free, are 32 workflows. So these are the 32 workflows that are offered here. In fact, one of them is the most downloaded workflow in the world, which is this one with 255,000 downloads. So all of this is really a goldmine. It actually allows you to learn how to automate, to create your own workflow, and to become an expert in 1.8.1. Here, for example, is a workflow you can download. When you open this workflow, of course, you'll simply find all the information that I use and include in this workflow. You'll also find the video, and here you'll also find the documentation. When you click, you'll find all the codes, and everything is free. So really today, there's absolutely no reason not to become an expert in automation. Now, when you use n8n, of course, you need a server. To get a server, you can either come here to the pricing page on the official website, where you'll find the different prices. The rates are a bit expensive because we're talking about $24 per month, and you're limited in the number of workflows you can run. For example, here you can only run 5 workflows at the same time, which is very few. If you want to run 20 workflows, you'll find yourself paying around $60, which is a bit expensive, especially for freelancers or people who want to test and learn automation. So what you can do is try Hostinger. Hostinger offers a special server called KVM2, which simply allows you to use an n8n server in an unlimited way. There's no limit to the number of workflows you can run. And the prices are actually really attractive. It's €5.99 per month. Well, if you compare it with the other packages, it's still much cheaper. So what I recommend is the same server, but this one is hosted on Hostinger. Another thing, so be careful. You shouldn't choose a hosting server, the one that hosts websites. That's different. You need one that actually includes the n8n server. So I've put the link in the description so you can go directly to that page. And there's an option, well, let's say an opportunity, but I don't know if when you're watching this video, it's still available or not. But there's an opportunity since it's Black Friday. You'll see when you click on select for the single plan, there's a promotion. They've never done a promotion like this before. Honestly, when I found out, I thought, wow, it's really interesting to get this price. When you click here to add a promo code, you enter, well, I'll copy the code for you. Here it is. The code is BLACKN8N. That's how you need to enter it in uppercase like this, BLACKN8N. Then you click apply and you'll see that it actually gives you a 20% discount. 20%. That's never happened with Hostinger. And you'll see that the hosting price is €4.79, which is really a very attractive price. There's nothing cheaper than that. So it's really interesting to use a server like this. Also, there's another option that I find very interesting, this n8n. It's workflow. So n8n without workflow, that's free, because if you click here, it will add the 100 most popular workflows for you. That means today it will take the 100 most used workflows in the world and you'll find them on your server. So when you get started, you already have, let's say, 100 practical workshops. You can test them, update them, modify them, and run them. And there you go, you can simply confirm that. So adding the 100 workflows is free. And you have a 30-day satisfaction or your money-back guarantee. You just need to click here to access it. The coupon code is valid for 72 hours. It will be available on Black Friday, Saturday and Sunday until midnight. It will expire. I hope you'll take advantage of this amazing offer.